I think another great evidence for creation is the field of bio-inspired design. That's where engineers look at a biological system, say it might be a bird or a tree, and they use it, and they copy certain aspects to make better engineering systems. Now, this is really relevant to the creation-evolution debate, because if the world had evolved step by step, you would absolutely expect that world to be simpler than engineering systems, because evolution is restricted to step-by-step change. Engineers are not restricted to step-by-step change when they design. When I'm teaching my students how to design, I tell them, don't change things step by step. Use your mind to bring lots of elements together simultaneously to produce a sophisticated system. So that's why, if evolution is true, nature should be simpler than engineering. But what engineers and scientists have found very clearly in the last decade or so is that nature has far more complex and sophisticated engineering than human-engineered systems. That is what you'd expect if God had designed the world and created the world, but it's not what you'd expect if the world had evolved step by step because of the restrictions of evolution. So what we found in bio-inspired design really supports the creation belief.